count, Sky, the number. Okay, 1. Where's 1? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, start the ball rolling here. Okay, which color you like to use? Okay. Okay, what number are you in now? Okay, 1. Okay, we'll start again with 1. Okay, 1. Oops. And then 2. You move the box. Use the box, Anna. Okay. Anna, hold the box. Okay. Alright, 3. Very good, 3. Four. Listen kayo, 4. Okay, 5. Where's number 5? Okay, get in the ball. And then control the box. Where's 6? 6 is over there. You tilt it. Oh, okay. 6. Oh, very good. 6, 7, and 8. And then 9. Oh, 8. Okay, get inside 8. And then 9. 10. Where's 10? Okay, 10. And then 11. Where's 11? 12. 11. Okay, 12. And 13. 14. Okay, 15. Okay, practice. Okay, practice some more. Oh, 6. Okay, use another ball.